How to send large files on Telegram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily send large files on Telegram. So the very first thing you want to do here is open up Telegram application. And once you open up Telegram, what you basically need to understand is that you can send up to 2 gigabytes of file on Telegram on the free version. So if I go over to this chat and then if I go over to this, you can go ahead and allow the camera permission. And here you can easily go ahead and select any file you want to send from here. But what you can also do is go over to your settings by tapping on the left hand side and then go ahead and tap on settings. From your settings, you can go to chat settings, and if you see here, you can manage your settings for your data and storage. From here, you can go to private chats and you can save video up to 4 gigabytes. So you could also do save to gallery photos and videos. It's completely up to you. But if you want to send something larger than 2 GB, then you are going to have to go for a premium subscription. So go ahead and tap on Telegram Premium. And as you can see here, you can get all of these extra perks for Telegram Premium. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.